A factory reset restores your Xfinity Xumo box to its original settings, erasing all personal data, settings, and installed apps. This is useful for troubleshooting issues like freezing or connectivity problems, or before selling or giving away the device. As of September 2025, Xumo boxes are still actively used, and resetting them is a common solution for various problems. Keep in mind that all your preferences and login information will be removed, requiring you to set up the device as new. To perform a factory reset via remote, start by navigating to Settings on your Xumo box. From there, go to Device Settings and select Reset to Factory Defaults. Follow the on-screen prompts and enter your PIN if you've set one. For a hard reset, simply unplug the power cord from your Xumo box. Wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This method is especially useful if the device is unresponsive. After the reset, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Reactivate your box using the Xfinity app or website. The box will guide you through initial setup, including connecting to Wi-Fi and logging into your Xfinity account. Once connected, re-download your desired apps from the Xumo store.